Alright, this daily chart of AAPL. I got a great video here, people. For those new to this video, I'm going to go over a lot of things before I talk about what my feelings of the future. But on my site, in the past, I've talked about the Apple rally all in here. And I called about 5 winning trades here in options. I'm also a long-term investor. So what you're going to be witnessing is very powerful analysis, and I demonstrate this with Apple. And you know, I put my neck on the line when I state all this stuff on StockTwits to prove the analysis. You know, there's been a lot of negative people on Apple, but let's go and look at a lot of the things I stated on StockTwits in the recent breakout, starting from the February the 6th. So let's go to let's minimize this and go to my stream. I set this all up. And here it is on February the 8th. You can scroll this down on your screen and find it, Apple update. And I'm going to click on this, and you can see my stream is very active, and it gets a lot of participation. You see a lot of, you know, I'm going to click on this. So you see a lot of views and lots of comments, and you won't see that on any stream on StockTwits. In fact, if a lot of people knew the value of what I'm doing, StockTwits servers would crash. But anyways, I'm going to click on this chart. This is what I said on the February 6th close when Apple was at 118.83, and we're going to go step by step to show the different breakpoints and how I led this all through while people were guessing and humming and hooing. Press pause, read what was said here, and this was done. And we had confirmed the 119.60 break, so that's break 1 from where I described. Alright, and let's go to my stream here. That's February the 8th. We're going to go to February the 12th. I made an update here, and let's go to see what I said here. I gave a good detailed instructions that I believe the breakout was just beginning. Well, it was still a lot more room to make a move, and of course I was right, as we know. When I posted this was 126. Now we're at 133. Press pause. Read this. This is powerful analysis you're witnessing. People guess humming and hooing on StockTwits, but I tell the facts. I post the plans. Follow me for more great advice if you want to get an edge on the market, because I do this for a lot of other stocks. Okay, then on February the 15th, I posted another update. Power trigger trade here. 1,108 views. Lots of comments, as you can see. Check out my stream, people, for more great advice. And you can see there was a plan at 127. Okay. I also gave another breakpoint at 128. Again, press pause or even check what you see here, because this video is to show you really quickly. But as this was moving along, I was giving positive comments to Apple, and it's all documented on my stream. You're witnessing powerful analysis. There is probably no pro who is able to do these multiple breakpoints and have the confidence to say this, because it's all documented on the stream. I make a mistake, it shows up. And I have a lot of chart witness followers that see what I do, so you want to become a chart witness follower. Okay, let's go back to the stream. But anyways, pause this, read it, or check it out on the stream. I'm going to go to this, and here we are at 133. And Power Trigger Trade led it all the way. There was even a break. I had an updates even over here, people. Again, it's all documented on my stream. You have to go deep, deep, deep into these February dates, and you'll see what Power Trigger Trade said. I've been bullish to stock, super bullish, and I also do this for a lot of other stocks. If you're an Apple investor, I'm a long-term investor, and I do a lot of option trades in Apple when I see great. And I've explained how bullish I was with this, and you know, this doesn't surprise me where we are. I think we can go higher. it's good to take profits and then ride most of your, and have some runners, as we could still go higher. I'm not going to be talking about any ad points at this point, as we have achieved what I wanted. The 132 to 135 area, we're inside that now. And we can go a lot higher, and I'll have my runners, but I'm not going to talk about any more entries. Though I think this can go a lot higher and surprise people. I said this would be a surprise mover. And a lot of people on StockTwits had a lot of negative things to say. There wasn't very many. I think I was the only positive leader with facts, not guessing like most people on StockTwits. So, Power Trigger Trade here. This is my stream. And there's a lot of things I said here. Check out my stream here. But even on Friday, look what I said here. I mean, it doesn't end. I've been calling the shots over and over again. Great trades like UNH, people. Check this out. I sent chart plans to my chart witness followers. Again, press pause. Check that out. Power Trigger Trade. Alright. What was the last thing I said on Friday about Apple here? I'm going to just scroll down now. Here it goes. February the 20th at 3:47. Apple, we are on the launch pad line, which is the 129.35. Also staying above 129 is bullish as well. Higher prices are on the well-deserved way. Basically, people, step by step, Power Trigger Trade, the only pro on StockTwits to show my analysis powers. I've showed a step by step beyond any pro. Most pros tell you, okay, a buy point, but I told ad points, several ad points, and the stock kept on going higher for Apple, because this stock was a special breakout setup. And when we have great setups, I put my reputation on the line for Apple. Again, I've been on fire with the stock all through here. This is all witnessed by my chart witness followers, and in this video, you're going to see a lot of positive comments. The real deal is here. Power Trigger Trade. My analysis is just bang on. And I demonstrate this with Apple. And my chart witness followers have seen me talk about a lot of different stocks before the breakouts. Power Trigger Trade here. It's been a great ride with Apple. Follow me for more great advice. I'm so happy with the success. Apple has made me a ton of money again. I'm a long-term investor, and I give great advice on a lot of stocks, just like as if you were to a subscription service, but a lot better in my opinion. You've got nothing to lose. To follow me for more great advice. And I think Apple can still go higher, but it's had a great run, and we'll have to see what happens now at this point. So there you have it. This is achieved more than I wanted in a timely manner, and it's all documented a lot. I do a lot of Apple updates, people, and again, most people don't give this kind of quality, and I do this on my stream for Apple and a few other stocks. But mostly, if you want to get more of my great ideas, you want to become a Power Chart Witness follower, you'll just ask me how, and be patient, and I'll get to you. Thanks for listening. Like the video.